Ndio tunamwagilia sasa. Hello everybody and welcome back to Mackenzie's kitchen. I hope that you have been doing well, you have been great, and you are well kept by our Lord Jesus Christ. So today I've got a very interesting recipe for you. I hope you are going to like it. I hope that you are going to try it at home, and I hope that you are going to enjoy it. So karibu sana. If you are new here, karibu. I'm Faye Mackenzie. If you have already subscribed, thank you for keeping in touch. So today we are going to make fluffy chocolate pancakes, and let us go straight to our ingredients. This is what we need to make the pancakes. We have cocoa, which is 1 tablespoon if you measure. We have salt, 1 teaspoon. We have self-rising flour, like 3/4 kg. We have sugar. We have beaten eggs, and we have milk, which is soy milk, ama maziwa mala if you like. So what we do, we shall start by making our syrup for garnishing the pancakes. And for the syrup, we need the sugar, and some water. To cook our sugar first, or do I say to roast it? So after it has started melting, we add the water. So our syrup will continue boiling as we prepare the rest. So we start by mixing the dry ingredients first. That is flour, cocoa, some salt, and sugar. We are well mixed up, so we can start adding our wet ingredients. I forgot to tell you that we also need oil. So we put in our oil. So we add in our eggs. We add in our lemon essence. The lemon essence is just to neutralize the smell of the egg. So you just put 1 kakifuniko. After that, we add in our milk. Then we start mixing. So our mixture is now ready. As you can see, it is very thick, and this is the consistency that is required. So we are ready to go. We can start now cooking our pancakes. Meanwhile, our syrup is ready too. So I'm just going to put off the fire, let it cool down. You know, it's ready when it becomes thick, and when you touch it, It's like it's sticky. So we start by putting just a little oil in our pan because our mixture had oil in our already heated pan. So here is what we do. Just pick one full and we drop it in there. Tuongeza kadogo. Then what we do, we don't spread it as we do to the normal pancakes. Tunaguza tu kidogo ya kuleta a round shape. Kidogo tu kabisa. Don't spread it too much. So you spread it kidogo and you let it be. So you keep observing these rolls. They are the indicators of readiness of the other side. So you can flip it to the other side. Oh. Very hot. So the other side is also ready and you're good to go. We are on the second one. Then we add kadogo. This is of equal size. If you have to spread kidogo kabisa. Kidogo. So we are good to go. Drink master shoe. So we are done. So our syrup has already cooled down. Ndio tunamwagilia sasa. So there we go. So thank you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend about Mackenzie's Kitchen. Asanteni na karibuni pia.